All right, everyone. So we are here with our 30th episode bonus.
Not the 40th.
No, just the 30th episode bonus, which Chris messed up. And since our coffee one's taking a bit longer than usual, we're going for a little bit of the audio visual one this
that
time.
We've done it more than once.
Where this is well, I like to think people imagine us talking when they listen to us, and kind of like some nice hot media, but it's going to be some cool media for them. A little dessert treat this time. But
Can a dessert be hot?
Yeah, but that's not the right way to have a dessert.
Anyway,
we are going to. Well, I am going to be playing this game known as Aviary Attorney with Chris right here. Because, Let's Plays are fun, but this is still a legal podcast, so we got to focus on the serious stuff here. I could have gone with Phoenix Wright, but that's a little bit tried and true for some people. I don't think people
on the nose.
Yeah, I don't think people know about Aviary Attorney.
It reaches into a part of my brain that hasn't been accessed in years.
Yeah. Okay, everything here is good. Let's definitely have text speed at max speed, because
okay, yeah.
Or we can do lowest speed.
Let's do max speed. Lowest speed is for like 2-year-olds.
I'm just lowering some of this for mine so I can hear you. I don't know why it says that's windowed. It's not. All right. I have never played this game before, so I do not know what is about to happen.
I've never played this game before either.
You never even heard of this game.
No, I have heard of this game.
Oh, you have?
I said it reached deep back into an area of my brain that has not been accessed in many years.
Oh, probably got this in like a Humble Bundle or something.
No, I think I've just heard of it. I don't think I definitely haven't played it.
Okay. January 1st, 1840. I know it takes place in France. Oh, there we go.
This is a fucking civil law country. We live in a common law country. How I won't be able to do this shit.
Well, we're figuring out murder anyway.
I don't know if we'll be able to do this. That's not really what the law is all about, though.
Dame Cataline, what have you done?
Wait, we know who the murderer is?
Well, I think we maybe know who we think it is. Okay. We have to do voices for the characters. Do you want to be Sparrowson or you want me to be Sparrowson?
I can be Sparrowson. So I have a question. Should I do a French accent or an English accent?
French bird. Or whatever you feel like he sounds like.
He's going to be French. It's midday already. Already. I'm going to start over. It's midday already. Where on earth is that fetterhead?
Oh, that's me.
Well. Look who finally decided to get up. Haven't you heard what they say about the early bird, Falcon?
Ugh, too early for worms. Past the Cabernet Sauvignon.
There'll be time for that later. We've got some business to handle first.
Business?
A letter arrived while you were sleeping. I haven't opened it yet.
It's probably just more junk mail. Go ahead, Sparrowson. You may have the honors.
All right. Dear Monsieur Falcon, I am writing you today because my daughter, Dame Catherine, has been arrested for a crime she did not commit. She is being held at La Conciergerie prison on the charge de murder, no less. Her trial is in 3 days' time.
Oh, yeah. I get options.
Yeah, we got it.
I have to think of how this persona I've crafted would respond in this case.
Dude, fuck off. We got to do it. Mm-hmm. We have to accept the call to action.
What if this is like the Pokemon thing where it's like, do you want to go on an adventure? And you say no. And I'm like, I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. Would you like to go on an adventure? And you keep saying no, but eventually you have to say yes.
It's probably like that.
So but of course, it would be...
you just change your accent.
Sorry, some of you rubbed off on me. It would be foolish to let such a good opportunity slip through our feathers.
I like that your French accent is the same as your Goblin accent.
I am part goblin. Well, I have different goblin accents, technically.
I mean, it's just kind of one Goblin accent that's just like colored in different.
Well, there's like this little goblin accent if you're like a sneaky little goblin. Ooh.
Wasn't that your squirrel accent in a recent?
No, my squirrel accent was this one where I just squirrels in
Before
my
we go further, I have to pee. Hold on.
Okay. Well, grab your coat, Sparrow Son. We're going to go find our kitty client at La Conciergerie.
2 days for 2 tasks? Seems doable.
But we should get head.
Yeah, we should get head.
But we should get head and get some rest first. We have a lot of work ahead of us.
Wait, Monsieur Falcon, before you go.
I think this is a breach of confidentiality and client interests.
Probably.
You. Oh, sorry, it's you.
Yes, c'est moi. You do believe my story, don't you?
Oh, I definitely have to say that one.
You have to say that.
Dame Caterline, I believe that a fair trial can draw the truth from any situation. I believe in justice. Oh, we got so many areas.
We don't want to go there. No, we don't go there.
But they don't. We can just go there for free.
Can we?
Yeah, it says if there's not a clock next to it, it doesn't cost any time.
No, well, I don't think we have any reason to, right?
I want to see if we got any mail today.
Falcon, why are we back in your office? We have a case to solve.
I was just procrastinating.
Well, stop it. We need to get back to helping Dame Catherine.
All right, I'm ready. Let's go.
The game's like, fuck you. Don't go there.
Oh, wait, I forgot my wallet. Hold on.
No, I'm not saying it again.
You have to. I can't continue until you do.
Falcon, pourquoi are we back in your office? We have a case to solve.
I was just procrastinating.
Well, arrête. We need to get back to helping Dame Catherine.
All right, I'm ready. Let's go. Okay, where are we going? We got Chateau.
I think the Chateau.
Chateau. Yeah. Presley's Manor House. Oh, that's nice. Up and coming photographer. Well, that's probably.
Wait, where's the Chateau again?
It's all the way over there.
Oh, God. Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. Oh, damn it. I pressed the wrong one again. Oh, well. Oh, it's going to be like a it's kangaroo, right?
Yeah. So it has to be Australian.
Hello, mate. Excusez-moi, messieurs. I don't mean to be a pain, but my little girl and I are sick and starving, see?
It just evolved into Southern accent. I'll be Gimbad.
I don't suppose you happen to have some spare change. You have 20 francs in your wallet. What will you do?
Let's give her 10 francs.
10 francs? Okay.
Let's be generous.
Here you go. Stay safe, madame. It's just Australian's so hard.
I have a feeling she's supposed to be like kind of Cockney.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, like that.
Oh, wow. Bless you, Mrs. Bless you.
There you go. I think you can achieve that better than
a horrible Australian one. Oh, wow. That is regal.
Should I be him?
Yes, do as regal as you can.
Did I hear my name? Great Baron Rogoy, property owner extraordinaire at your service.
This is how I imagine Monty imagines himself every day.
Probably. Raging capitalist.
Yeah.
And who might you fellas be? More investigators?
I really hope the investigators are alligators. I really hope.
Yeah. Yes, we're policemen.
Well, wait.
Yes, we're policemen.
No, wait, we want this guy to trust us.
Yes, we're policemen.
But I don't know. Are you sure that's the right route?
We want answers. We don't want trust.
But he's not going to give answers to policemen. He's going to give us convenient truth, not the real truth.
Iggy, sometimes you got to break the rules a little bit.
By lying and saying we are the police?
Yeah. Even though in the U.S. impersonating a federal, well, if it was a federal official especially, but a state official, that'd be bad.
This is 1800s France with animals.
We're going to be fine.
Correct, Baron. I am Inspector, V.V. Kestrel, and this is my lackey, Robinson Crusoe.
Good thinking, Falcon, but don't slip up, or we'll both end up in deep merde. I don't know if you are aware, Mammal.
Mammal.
The fuck? But there's a serious murder investigation taking place here. It's no time to be keeping secrets. Same. It's cop talk.
No, it's nonsense talk. I understand the situation, officers, but I don't have anything to hide.
Pressure her.
We don't appreciate dishonesty, mademoiselle. Lying to police officer, that's punishable by 10 years of hard labor and iron shackles. I should know.
That's kind of fucked up. 20 if the 20 if the judge hasn't had his coffee yet.
Tell the truth now, and maybe we can go easy on you. Okay. No need to break out the bad cop routine.
No, it doesn't seem like he's in, Falcon.
Great, we can break in. Oh. Let's break in. We should break in.
What? Are you serious?
Maybe.
Monsieur JJ Falcon.
My name is JJ.
I would have thought that a man of justice like yourself would be against such a reckless display of unlawful barbarism.
You're right. I'm sorry. I don't know what came over.
It's a brilliant suggestion. Stand back and barging this door down.
Wait, just like that? Shouldn't we discuss this first? What? Bird Jesus' name was that?
Bird Jesus died for our bird sins. You said you wanted to break in.
I thought we could find and open a window. I didn't think you would turn into a bird-sized cannonball. Well, now we're here. We ought to make the most of it. This place is quite something. It's very...
Swanky?
I was going to say ostentatious.
This is swanky talk for swanky. Uh-oh. I can do that one if you want.
Sure. He's an artist, so make him artsy.
Oh, mon Dieu, what happened to my door?
Lie. Are we just gonna do? Are we gonna line this entire playthrough?
Yes.
Some kids did it. Little weasel types. We saw them.
Yeah, weasels. They were like, let's break into this other guy's house. And we were like, no, weasels, you cannot do that because we would be illegal. And then they were like...
We chased them off. That's the important thing.
Well, thank you, I suppose.
Let's make a move. Trial day is approaching fast.
All right, let's go.
A new day.
Lady de Justice.
No, wait, I forgot my wallet.
Jesus fucking Christ. Falcon, this is trial day. Stop messing around. We need to do the courthouse already.
I was just...
No, we're going to be late.
Okay. Well, let's go ahead and check on the prison. Make sure there's nothing there that we missed. What you want? I'm JJ Falcon, defense attorney for... I know who you are. I saw you come by earlier. My visiting hours are over. Come back next week. Do you think you can make an exception for us? Visiting hours are over.
It will be quick.
I said visit hours are over. Do your bird brains understand? Parlez-vous, Frances? Oh, wait, I broke into fucking Falcon at that point.
I don't think he's going to make an exception, Falcon.
You're right. Let's continue our investigation. We should probably apologize to the photographer.
No, we should apologize to the lion. Falcon, it's just childish. Stop messing around. We need to do the courthouse already.
I was just...
No, we're going to be late.
I wanted to see if I can lose as a result of being too late.
I'm kind of interested to see. Falcon, it's just childish. Stop messing around. We need to do the courthouse already.
I don't know who did it.
No, we're going to be late.
Okay. I guess photograph, because I want to talk about the clock being wrong.
Yeah.
In the photograph.
Let's try that.
Let's take a closer look at that photograph.
Yeah, we see.
Why is it in black and white?
I don't think color had been invented at this point.
Just to clarify, Monsieur Rubino, photographs are a direct reflection of reality, are they not?
That is correct. The photographic process leaves no room for bias or inaccuracies.
That is most curious, because I see a mistake.
A mistake? Impossible. I just told you, mister, the camera is a perfect, unbiased device. The photographs it produces are flawless. Falcon, I'm not seeing any mistakes. Perhaps you could be a bit more specific?
Certainly. The clock in this photograph, there is something not right about it.
Well, isn't that convenient? Didn't see something wrong with the key piece of evidence that implicates his client.
Well, how's that convenient? It just means you did a shitty job, Rabington. Don't give me that cocky tone, Monsieur Rabington. I ate your cousin last week. I have evidence that there's something wrong with the clock in that picture. I mean, clearly they eat meat still, so...
Yeah, I mean, a falcon would be the natural predator of a rabbit.
The photograph clearly shows the clock's hands pointing at 7 and 6.
That much is self-evident.
Which is most curious because the clock in the lounge of Chateau Criniere has no hands.
It has no hands?
The clock is merely a decorative piece, a talking item. Feel free to ask Baron Rogoyli or his housemaid if you have doubts. Monsieur Rubino, how do you explain this discrepancy?
I don't know. There must be some sort of mistake. My camera is flawless.
There is no mistake, Monsieur. Your photograph depicts something that does not exist in the real world.
Maybe there was an error in the printing process.
An error precisely where the clock's hand should be? Please, Monsieur, don't patronize us. Allow me to offer a more plausible explanation. You, Monsieur Rubino, edited this photograph.
Edited?
I'm no expert, but I suspect that you used paint or ink to carefully put hands upon the clock. It would have been a simple task, considering that the clock face was bare. One can even speculate that you specifically chose to include a handless clock on that photograph just to simplify the editing process.
Hey. Falcon, your reasoning is absurd. Why would the witness do such a thing?
Is it not obvious? By showing the photograph to have taken place at precisely 7:30, it clears all the photograph subjects of suspicion. In other words, Monsieur Rubino created a perfect alibi. Of course, this raises further questions. Who was the witness protecting? And why? Was Monsieur Rubino coerced, bribed, threatened, seduced? Enough silence. Let's hear some answers, Monsieur Rubino.
Fine. You've got me. I'm guilty. I did it all.
He doesn't sound that indignant at all.
I know.
Jesus is like, yeah.
You did it? You're confessing to the murder of Monsieur Greenlee?
What? No. I have no idea who killed the frog. I'm just admitting that I'm guilty of producing fraudulent photographs. I was ordered to make changes to the printed photographs, and yes, that includes adding hands to the clock.
You were ordered? By whom?
I dare not say.
Monsieur Rubinho, I strongly advise you to answer the defense's questions. You have pledged to speak without fear, after all.
With respect, Judge, I fear claws. More than I fear the punishment of the justice system. I shall name no names.
Oh, that's you. Never mind.
His claws! Do you hear that, Falcon?
That is most unfortunate. I sentence you to death by drawing and quartering.
Still.
Monsieur Rubinho, we cannot and shall not torture names out of you. We don't live under the ancien regime, after all. But since you have admitted to falsifying evidence, then we cannot keep you on the stand as a witness. Take your leave. You shall be charged with perjury in due course.
I can't protest. That's the least I deserve for my failure as an artiste. Good day, messieurs.
Intriguing.
Pretty convincing.
Well, surely you're not suggesting that the honest and beloved Baron Roy deliberately tried to frame Dame Caroline?
The mean capitalist lion, he's not guilty.
No, never. Because that would be the most outlandish theory yet. The Baron is a pillar of your community. He would never do such a thing.
Monsieur Remington, I'm not here to throw accusations. I'm a bird. That's the job of you, the prosecutor. However,
maybe I should offer my opinion. Baron, it's not time for your witness testimony yet. So you would think, prosecutor, and yet I see my good reputation getting tarnished by your incompetence. Incompetence? Indeed. Let us proceed with witness questioning. Is that fine with you, Judge?
Yes, I suppose that's fine.
Very good. And I trust the defense has no objections.
As a matter of fact.
Tread carefully, Monsieur Falcon, or should I call you Inspector Vivi Castro? I hear that impersonating a police officer is a major criminal offense. It would be a shame if word were to spread.
No objections here. Please continue, Baron.
Fantastic. Oh, but before I forget, I pledge to speak without fear and prejudice, etc., etc. I wonder where the kangaroos are going to come in.
who knows? Maybe they're the actual culprits.
I don't think so. Maybe they're going to be like the surprise witness.
What's the H word?
I don't know.
Hot-headed? Oh.
Yeah, let's go with the garden.
That's like literally the only thing we have. This is a red herring.
Red herring.
That's good. Yeah, I guess that's the only thing. I'll go away.
Baron, we saw the murder scene in your garden for ourselves.
What's with all the horses?
Yeah, when was the last time you did it?
Baron Rogurio, when was the last time you ventured into your own garden?
As it happens, I have quite serious allergies. I haven't been in my own garden for years.
Years, you say?
Indeed.
Baron, I do not wish to call you a liar, but that claim does not hold up to scrutiny.
Oh, and why's that?
Because we have hard evidence that you have visited the garden recently.
Balderdash, my word is gold. Show the court this so-called hard evidence that I've been in my garden.
The red herring.
No.
The letter,
No.
the photo,
Get the cigar.
the poop cigar.
This was found in your garden. To be specific, it was found inside the fountain basin. Hooah! Right beside where the murder occurred.
Cigar butt? That's that could belong to anybody. Prosecutor, please shut your mouth. I can speak for myself. Okay, sorry, Baron. Outrage, Judge, I demand that you disbar this ranting lunatic.
No, there is only one outrage here. Zoom in on my face. That is, that a man like yourself is able to abuse his wealth and status to frame an innocent girl for murder. You're a bourgeois of the worst kind, which is to say, just any regular bourgeois.
How dare you, garçon, the utter nerve for a lying scumbag of a lawyer to accuse a philanthropist like myself of something so heinous. I'm nothing like that fat cat bourgeois. I'm a respectable, hard-working capitalist.
Those first two don't go with the last word.
Yeah, I know.
No, you're a ruthless man who would slaughter, or slafter, depending on the region, a dear friend just to reap a few francs.
You incredulous whelp, I ought to gut you right here and now, like a damned frog.
Could someone please restrain the Baron? Yeah, I'm on it, Your Honor. Let's go, old man.
They're both high-pitched birds.
To the concierge with you.
Don't touch me, you filthy jackdaw. I can walk myself.
This is quite a turn of events.
Fuck. This is the prosecution. I can't do it anymore.
Does the prosecution have anything to add?
Well, in a manner of speaking, well, to be honest, no.
Then I shall now confer with the members of the jury to come to a decision. I ask that the animals of the court please be patient in this time.
Falcon, that was pretty incredible.
Thank you. I just hope it was enough.
What do you mean? You just proved Catherine's innocence. We'll get a not guilty verdict for sure.
Sparrowson, I think you've misunderstood something important about the justice system.
What's that?
I haven't proved anything. As lawyers, we cannot deal in proofs. It's just not possible. Only Siths deal in absolutes. All we can do is organize the evidence and convincingly explain what it suggests. I haven't proved Dame Catterline's innocence. All I've done is demonstrate that there is a significant possibility that she is not guilty. Man, if only we had video cameras.
I'm not sure that I understand the difference.
We have reached a decision. In light of the recent revelations, it is clear that an error of judgment was made with the initial arrest. On that note, we unanimously find the defendant, Dame Catherine de Miao, to be not guilty.
Wouldn't that be the jury's decision?
Yeah, but the judge is delivering. I don't know.
Well, the jury delivers the decision.
Yeah, but then we have to establish an entire new character. Oh.
Monsieur Falcon, Petit Sparrowson, you did it.
Yeah, I suppose we did, didn't we?
We should head back to the office so we can celebrate properly.
Doo-doo.
You did it, Falcon.
I can't take all the credit. This was a group achievement, but mostly me.
I'm so proud of you both. I'll go get 1 bottle of wine and 3 of our least dirty glasses. You were amazing, Monsieur Falco.
Ah, it was nothing.
I very much like the way you pinned the murder on the Baron. That was an act of sheer genius.
Well, I didn't pin anything. Sparrowson and I just worked at unveiling the truth, given the facts of the case.
Monsieur Falcon, there is no need to play coy. The case is over.
Play coy?
Don't tell me you're actually being sincere.
She did murder him. I'm completely lost.
Oh, wow. I thought the goody thing was an act, but you actually don't know. All right, I'll spell
Her
it out
dad
for
and
you.
her figured this. They were behind it.
Yeah. I murdered Monsieur Grandly. I saw him in the garden, all drunk and vulnerable, and I seized the opportunity. It was nothing personal, just business.
You can't
understand?
tell me this now. I mean, I guess you can't get double jeopardy.
Business?
To increase my papa's share in the train company, of course. My papa always said that drunk old frog was the weakest link.
Your confession doesn't make any sense at all. I found Baron Roar Goyley's cigar butt hidden in the garden.
Oh, I put it there. I expected the police to find it, but I suppose he was putting too much faith in the brains of Paris's finest. But Falcon proved that Monsieur Robinho's photograph was edited. It was edited. I wasn't in the picture because I was busy paying a visit to Monsieur Crowley in the garden. My papa knew I needed an alibi, so he ordered Monsieur Robinho to paint me over Baron Roy and to add hands to the lock. But that lazy artist didn't manage to finish altering either photograph by trial day. It's a good thing Monsieur Falcon was so imaginative, because that could have gone very badly. What's with the silence? You should both be proud. There aren't many lawyers in the Hall of Friends who could have won a case like that, even for a bourgeois kitty like me. I think you should leave. Fine. So much for the celebration. Here's the payment for your services, straight from my papa's pocket. Well, adieu, Monsieur Falcon. Adieu, petit sparrow son.
We're the bad guys.
We are the bad guys. Falcon, what do we do now? Falcon?
Bum bum bum.
Damn.
Act 1.
Okay.
Your game has been saved. I guess that's the end of the bonus. Do you wish to continue? No, not right now.
Wow. That was a fucking trip.
Yeah, who expected that?